Act 1, Scene 1.
So with this one, kind of act nonchalant, just kind of try not to move if you can, but if you need to, kind of just stay in one place and kind of bob. You two, do your thing,
I look like a pair of eyes.
Your eyes look great.
I look like that emoji.
Okay, and if I could get you to also take 2 steps forward as well. Just ever so slightly behind him and put the arm that's closest to his shoulder on his shoulder, please. Just rest in it.
Big John Claude Don Vito. See no other Rico, we no regular people. Got your girl with me and she pulling out of disregardless. I think she want attention, this obnoxious. Send her to the doctors, 10 more boxes. No options, free smoke, okay, no problem. Me and Stretch banner pouring lean up in a finer like a bitch, both at her, it don't matter. Then after, can't stand her. Swear someday I'll learn manners. Promise I'll be calmer when there's no drama.
Dodgy chocolates with vitamin W.
Yes. Right, okay, so basically for this shot, I just want you guys looking at the board, kind of just talking, but I want you to look at each other when you talk. Like whoever's talking, look at the other person, if that makes sense?
Getaway drivers, this, blah 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 blah.
Exactly, yeah.
Fuck you, this is what's happening. So I think they're gonna go from Cardiff to fucking Northern Ireland in a getaway car across the fucking sea. No? This is the motherfucker. He's gotta get it down, and this is what we're gonna do. Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Okay.
Top all aggressive. Best we meet up soon for it get messy. She texting my exes. Screenshots me the message. Them red flags are extra. Like ketchup, roll around with both legs.
Each gun has a leg, which is...
Her back.
How's your back?
Fucking agony. Every minute of every day.
No, not the one I he for. Before he got Rico, then the street code never been told. In and out spot the entrance.
Cheeky Siggy.
My mum doesn't.
Are you half Indian?
Does this answer your question?
Do we look alike?
I think we do.
I think you're
I mean,
white
she's
as
whiter
shit.
than me, so...
I think you're white as shit.
Get this mother, look how white this guy is. He's got a high credit score and everything. Alright, guns up there. Yeah, walking forward, yeah, so let's have your gun up. There we go, so kind of keep it quite close to your face when you have it up. Kind of just walk like you're ninja walking. Something like that, okay? Yeah. And let's go. Cool. Let's go do that again. That was sick. I just want to come right. That looks sick.
Yeah, but this is annoying.
I need a light. Can you grab me? Oh, you got a tube light on you?
Nope.
You don't have your tube light in my other bag. Can you go get it?
And I was definitely breaking every single law.
Oh yeah, cars were slowing down.
Bro, please do it to my missus. Please, I'm begging you. I will pay you. I'm begging you. It'll be the funniest video. She will be
How's your day?
It's been alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just ready for bed.
Yeah, we're still in Wellmill.
Yeah, we are still a little
The
while.
best spot of all.
Fucking Bridge End.
Get in the car.
Yeah, in the car.
I'll drive my car behind you. I'll be right there.
Huh?
Yep. Fuck me up, right? Sky. Sky.
final words.
What?
Final words.
Don't you kids stay in drugs?
Don't do drugs, kids.
You've never seen a film, bro. Leave them alone. Let them get on with it. Alright.
Don't drop that, please.
Oh well, let's go.
You got caught. Oh, that's not nice. This is very fucking red.
I swear to that's probably right.
Yeah, that was fun.
Where the fuck is? Alright, cool. Just come here so I can get.
Ow! Oh, your light went out.
You get pulled over, I'm gonna get fucked. They're gonna. Not my car, first of all. Right? That's the point.
Hold up! That's why he's driving!